we're on another old 64. We're in a different county now. We're in Cherokee, or I'm sorry, no we're not. We're in Macon County, North Carolina. And this old 64 is called Murphy Road. Murphy Road. I expect this road to be dirty, but not as dirty as the last old 64 we were on. The last two old 64s we were on. Because that mower on old 64 back in Warren, that mower was kicking a lot of crap out into the road. I thought for sure, being it's this late in the day, I was going to see more traffic. It's a Friday before Memorial Day weekend. I've seen my share of cops. But the roads aren't too busy yet. Woo, there's some garbage. Nice. I'm glad it's here and not in the turns. Some gravel. In the old days, the people who live along these roads would keep their ditches, where the ditches are overflowing, they would keep them cleaned out. Unfortunately, those folks have died. And the boomers aren't going to do it. They're too self-absorbed. Look at that. Wow. It doesn't take much either. In my neighborhood, we blow the leaves from the ditches out into the road and then mulch them in the road and then blow them back into the ditch. Then the heavy rain like this just blows it down, just makes it all flow down the ditch. I guess it ends up in the Hiwassee River. Aw, are they letting me by or are they actually turning? Oh, that is nice. Thank you. That was nice. And you guys were just saying there's not good people left in the U.S. I agree, there's not. Bunch of blue-haired, liberal, socialist, communist voting shoestring wearing, just ugh. And that's me being polite. You'd think as much as a Palisade cost, it would be able to go the speed limit. I'd be sad if I bought one of those and I couldn't drive at the speed limit. I'd have to trade it in. I'd buy a Nissan Pathfinder before I'd buy that thing. That Nissan Pathfinder Rock Creek, that's a good looking machine. I've been fortunate to drive one of them. They're pretty inside and out. Wonder where they're going camping to. It's going to be chilly this weekend. It's not even going to get to 70 degrees today. It's Memorial Day weekend. It's not even going to get to 70 degrees. They're going out in a pop-up camper. They're going to be cold. Alright, I am going to end this video. I have showed you enough of roadway with gravel in it. Let's hope the next road I get on is cleaner.